This is Paul Wett with www.wetttraderllc.com giving you the weekly forecast for this week, which is be Friday ending, I believe it's going to be 3/19 or 3/18. 3/18. Okay, folks, you've seen that we've been, this market's been moving a lot higher. I still think we're going to go a little higher. But like I said, I don't have my crystal ball, so I have to see what Wett Trader LLC it can do for me. This is a high probability. This might be a double bottom here. I know we slightly went past this low by 2 points. Excuse me. But WettTraderLLC.com automatically puts your highs and lows in when you're trying to calculate your retracement. So here you go. You see this? This is my low. This is my high. 2010, and then after that we're going to go up to the high one here. So if you use those numbers, right, here's where you're going to be looking at 2033 on a weekly. The monthly is a 2051, and this is a daily retracement sell. So all we do with www.wetttraderllc.com is we have all the numbers right here, folks. All the numbers right here. So I right click. Monthly, we still haven't hit the monthly PP, folks. This is something that's very worrisome, but like I said, we can come back and fill. We have a gap down here as well. We do hit the PP about 90% of the time, and we don't have to hit it every time. So let's go to the next number, 2036. So 2036, and if you look here, resistance at 2033, weekly 2030, PP 1994. So the 2030 is a very logical target for short term, for swing trading. Daily, look at this, 2365, 2035, and we still have the PP of 2083. So I still think that with www.wetttraderllc.com, we can still make a nice stack of cash. Like I said, this is the weekly here. This is an ABC. The thing that's really interesting is look at this monthly. That's why I had this up here, folks. Ironically, not only do we have a monthly moving average at that 30 area. So if this holds, now if this is truly a 5-bar low, we want it. We want to get a 5-bar high. Technically, right? We should go into the next swing pattern. So if this is a 5-bar low, we should take the monthly to a 5-bar high. We got a 5-bar low here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 4-bar low. 1, 2. There's another 5-bar low. So see, we've made 2 lows here, and we're still making higher highs. So this is very good indication that we got some good support here. Like I said, with this resistance or this support here, and obviously we're going to have resistance here, and we're going to have resistance here as well. So these are the key areas here. And if we look at our retracement numbers, which you don't need to have them, www.wetttraderllc.com does these calculations for you. So you don't need to fill in all this stuff. It automatically does it for you. So all we got to do is wait for a low risk, high probability trade. Even this thing here, trying to buy the gap, 2008, and we closed yesterday 2011.75. We've already made it back to 11.50, so that's a nice 3-pointer right there. Now the software will all automatically, this is a shorter time frame, which is a 5-minute. I bought it here, I didn't flatten it, I let the software run. The moving averages are crossed here. I do have this set at 1321. So like here I'd be buying instead of selling. And so as soon as we get a rally here, this thing will probably have a sell. So the other thing we want to look at, where do we really want to buy here that's going to be low risk today? We're talking 2,000, okay, because that's the PP for the day. So we haven't made yesterday's new high. We do have a time day here, which can happen the day before the time day. This is a trade day. All these highs and lows, they line up really consecutively. Same thing with the weekly. High, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. It can happen one day before the trade day. And so, like I said, folks, I still think we're going to go a little bit higher. We could, main thing you want to watch here are these moving averages here, especially this 40 at 2006. We got a lot of support, like I said, down here. I still think that there's a high probability that this thing could go double bottom. High probability go to about 56 in this area here. So continue to watch www.Wett Trader LLC. Click the yellow demo button. Get a free demo. Learn to start making some trades automatically. www.WettTraderLLC.com. Thank you.